The next section is adding and subtracting fractions. So adding and subtracting fractions. So how do you add or subtract fractions? You can't just add and subtract straight across. You need a common denominator. So for example, let's say I'm trying to do 1/2 plus 1/3. Well, in terms of, let's think of a pizza, what am I actually trying to do? So I have a pizza. Here's 1/2 of it. I'm trying to put that together with 1/3. The issue is the bottom ratio numbers, so the 2 and the 3, those aren't the same. So I need to find some common denominator. So to find a common denominator, you ask yourself, what's a number that both 2 and 3 go into? So think of a number that both 2 and 3 can go into evenly. So what about 6? This isn't the only number, you could have used other ones. But let's think about the number 6. So 6, that means I'm going to divide this pizza into 6 pieces now, instead of 2 on that side, and then 6 pieces over here instead of 3. So the half of the pizza up here was how many 6? That was 3. And then this part of the pizza over here, that was how many 6? That was 2. Now you don't have to draw these pictures out. You could also say, if I'm trying to convert 1/2 to something over 6, what number did I multiply 2 by to get 6? So I multiplied it by 3, so I multiplied 1 by 3 and got 3. Now what number did I multiply 3 by to get 6? 2, so multiply the top by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Now I'm adding 3 6 plus 2 6, so that's going to give me 3 plus 2 is 5. You keep the bottom number the same. So 1/2 plus 1/3 is going to give me 5 6. Let's do another example. How about 2/5 plus 1/2? Now I could draw out this picture. I could split my pizza up into 5s, and then put in 2 of them, and then have my 1/2 again. But let's just do this directly. I don't have a common denominator, so think of a number that 5 and 2 both go into. Now you could just multiply the 2, and that's always going to give you something that you could work with. So how about 10? So let's start with 2/5. 5 times what was 10? So what did I multiply 5 by to get to 10? I multiplied it by 2. So multiply the top number by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Next, what did I multiply 2 by to get this 10? Multiply it by 5, so multiply the top as well. So 5 times 1 is 5. Now 4/10 plus 5/10 is going to give me 9/10. Let's try one more of these. Let's say I have 3 fractions this time. So 2/3 plus 1/2 plus 7/12. So I have 3 fractions that I'm trying to add together. First thing I need to do is find a common denominator. So I need to find some number that's divisible by 3, 2, and 12. Well, there are lots of numbers. You could choose 24 or 36, but 12 is actually a good one, so let's just use 12. So 3 times what was 12? So 3 times 4 was 12, so I multiply the top by 4 and I get 8. Next, what did I multiply 2 by to get this 12? Multiply it by 6, so I've got to multiply the top by 6. And then this fraction I haven't changed any, so I get just 7/12. Now I just add them all up. So 8 plus 6, that's 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. So 21/12. So whenever you're adding and subtracting fractions, find your common denominator, convert all your fractions to that common denominator, then just add up the tops. And that should be it.